got a wet day here on the Oregon coast. They've got all along this highway, they've had a lot of washouts and stuff because there's a lot of bridge work, single lane alternating traffic. I think it's all those atmospheric rivers we've been having. We have a little view of the ocean there. Oh, here we go. There we go. Beautiful views. Hey guys, we're just a little north of a place called Klamath, California. Right along Highway 101. Just figured I'd stop, check out the waves for a couple minutes, stretch. Cliffs on one side and the sea on the other. Beautiful. Rugged coastline here. Very pretty. Very pretty. Beautiful. Soothe the savage soul. Anyway, get a chance, check it out. Highway 101. Bring a picnic. Cathedral. Cool. Never seen one like this. Big green monster. Pull out on the Oregon coast. I don't know what it is, but it's a pretty wild place, man. Like, look at that, eh? They've got a little thing here. Let's go for a walk and a read. I like the rock wall, bridging the gaps, span the chasms and coves. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at the gap here. Oh. Wow, check that out. Very cool. Where it's undercut the cliff there, just the waves. And it splooshes underneath it. Most innovative design techniques of the time. Tech to store some of the historic bridge through state-of-the-art preservation techniques. Bridges couldn't be saved and replaced by new engines and honor. It was completed in 1932. Had to replace the new bridge was completed in 2023. Showtime at the Spouting Horn. Oh, look at that. There was an ocean geyser creating a cave. Oh, so when the water comes up, it shoots up. High tides and storms. Spouting Horn. Okay, that's where we're at, guys, with the Spouting Horn. And somewhere in here, it comes up at high tide and the spout. That's pretty wild. Just hear and feel the power of Mother Nature. And they're off. Off these sentinels. Pretty wild. I don't know what the deal is. It must be a toll bridge or something. Anyway, pretty cool bridge. Last night we had a little issue with our dimmer switch. So anyway, the nice guys at Napa here in Gabrielville had one, so later on in the day, before it gets dark, I'm going to stop and see if that's the issue. Change the dimmer switch. Check out my jet tools. Thank God I grabbed a kit. Anyway, on our way, heading north into the Redwoods. We are in the big trees here, let me tell you. I know they get bigger, but some of these are pretty friggin' awe-inspiring. Like they touch the sky. Anyway, this is supposed to be quite the amazing drive, so we're gonna enjoy it. Stay tuned. Well guys, we're here now. Just did the little reading at the Avenue of the Giants. It's a 32-mile tour that parallels the way we're going, adds about an hour to the trip, but let's see what the Avenue of the Giants, these are just the babies. I want to see what the Giants look like. Stay tuned, we're going for a tour of the Avenue of the Giants. I mean, it's really hard to grasp the size of these trees. Like, I mean, it's unbelievable. Like that one there has got to be 8-9 feet across. And this one over here, like look at the size of this thing. Unreal. I mean, that one's like 15 feet across. And I think that one's bigger. Surreal. Visualizing when all this whole place looked like this. Like unfriggin' real. Loggers must drive through here and cry looking at all the bored feet and wishing they could log it. Glad somebody had some brains, preserve this for future generations, because it is unbelievable to stand here and realize how insignificant we are and what have these things seen in their lifetime. Columbus, Aztecs, I mean not here, but just they've lived. I don't know how old these trees are. They gotta be 400 or 500 years old. I mean, it does rain a lot here. That's why they call it a rainforest, but it is pretty unbelievable. I mean, that one there's gotta be even bigger. Guys ever get a chance, come through here, just check it out. It's pretty awe-inspiring. Can't even look at ones they did cut. probably because it was falling over. And that one there's got to be like 16, 17 feet. I mean, it's really hard to grasp the scale of it. I mean, that one behind me here, and it's hard to, like I said, just the scale of this tree. I mean, it's, wow. I mean, if we pace it off from end to end, this one here's got to be almost 20 feet. There's the end right there. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 20 feet. That tree is 20 feet wide at the butt. Man, unbelievable. I'm glad my buddy told me to make sure I took the time and came through here, because until you see them in real life, it's hard to believe. But anyway, what an amazing place. Avenue of the Giants, they call it. And there's truth in advertising, because they are giants. Giants among trees. Anyway, if you get a chance, check it out. There we go. Avenue of the Giants. Like, hurts your neck to look up and see how tall they are. Pretty wild. Sad. I can't imagine when all this place looked like that. They were all that big, 10, 15, 20-foot trees. Keeping us breathing. Very cool. Just for a sense of scale, guys, I mean, look at the size of these things. Like, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Said, that one there's got to be 12 feet. Like, they're just massive. Massive trees. That one there's probably 15. Like, it's pretty awe-inspiring. Like, unbelievable. Yeah, make sure you guys get a chance, come check it out. Valley of the Giants, or Avenue of the Giants, and they are giants. We're talking giants. Giants. Hey guys, Mike here from Rust Brothers. Look, the sun is shining. We're here at Premier Oil Change. Nice guys here gonna help me give the old car some fresh blood, man, because it needs it. We've been pushing this thing hard anyway. Gonna give her an oil change and then head up the coast. So you guys are ever in Eureka, you need an oil change, come and check out Premier Oil Change. Friendly guys, quick service. See what they charge me at the end. Here we are, guys, Premier Oil Change. Bobby was down there, and Bob, did you learn something today?
Yes, sir.
There's go. I've never seen anybody take a shower with such expensive oil, but he's lucky. I'm not going to back charge him. Yeah. Thanks, Bob. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Okay, you guys have a great day. Appreciate your service. Okay, up the coast we go.
Shout out Premier.
Shout out from America.
Humboldt, Eureka.
Humboldt, Eureka, California.